Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we are going to be making a fast and easy white chocolate ganache. For today's recipe, I am using 1 cup of whipping cream, which is equal to 250 grams. And I'm also going to be using 1.5 cups of white chocolate. This is equal to 350 grams. And in case you're wondering, I am using a high quality Belgian chocolate made by the company Calbo, and this is recipe number W2. I have heated my cream in the microwave to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. That is equal to 54 degrees Celsius. So this recipe is super simple. We'll just take our white chocolate and pour it into our hot cream. And I'm going to let this sit here 3 to 4 minutes. So just leave it like that, pour it in, let it go, put your timer on for 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to start stirring. So now after my 4-minute mark, we're going to start stirring this and you can see the magic happening. Continue stirring until you feel all of the chocolate has completely dissolved in the whipping cream. And that's basically it for the recipe. At this point, it is very hot, so you want to place this in your fridge for a few hours for it to chill a little bit, and then it will be much less liquidy, and then you can apply it to your cakes, which is an amazing way to go. You can get a nice chocolate cake and then just pour this over the top. Really, really amazing. So this is about 5 hours later. I just wanted to come back and show you the consistency of the white chocolate ganache. You can see how creamy it is. Really amazing. And if you're going to be making any type of filled chocolates, this is a perfect white chocolate ganache to use. And remember, this makes a great filling for any type of cake, and you can also cover your cakes with this white chocolate ganache as well. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And remember, every video you see on my YouTube channel is also on my Facebook page. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.